Do you know what makes the lub-dub sound of your heartbeat? It's not the heart beating itself, it's the valves opening and closing. The first lub is when the valves between atria and ventricles shut. The dub comes when the valves leading to the arteries close. Each time your heart beats, it pumps blood throughout your body, ensuring every organ receives the oxygen it needs to function. The synchronized action of the valves creates that distinctive rhythm, a vital sign of life. Understanding this sound is crucial for grasping the fundamentals of cardiovascular health. Each heartbeat signifies not just life, but also the intricate mechanisms that keep our bodies functioning effectively.